We all make our best efforts to revamp our living spaces. But have you ever asked yourself why we actually need to do that? Revamping our living spaces has become increasingly essential in today's fast-paced and ever-changing world. As our lifestyles evolve, so do our needs and preferences regarding our homes. A living space that once felt comfortable and functional can gradually become outdated, uninspiring, or even stifling. The need for revitalization stems from various factors, including changes in personal circumstances, shifts in design trends, and the growing understanding of how our environments impact our well-being. Understanding these dynamics can illuminate the importance of refreshing our living spaces, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and harmonious home life. One of the primary reasons to revamp our living spaces is the natural progression of life. As we experience significant changes, such as moving to a new city, starting a family, or entering retirement, our living requirements often shift. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of random wood furniture and wood decor ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A space that served us well during one stage of life may no longer meet our needs in another. For instance, a young couple may find an open-concept space perfect for entertaining friends. But once children enter the picture, the need for defined areas becomes paramount. Revamping the living environment allows us to adapt our homes to better suit our evolving lifestyles, ensuring that they remain functional and accommodating. Furthermore, our tastes and preferences change over time. What once felt fresh and exciting can become stale and uninspiring. This shift may be influenced by exposure to new design ideas, travel experiences, or changes in personal style. As we grow and develop, our aesthetic sensibilities may evolve, prompting a desire to reflect our current tastes in our living spaces. Revamping our homes can be an opportunity to express our individuality and creativity, allowing us to curate an environment that resonates with who we are today. This process of transformation can be both liberating and invigorating, as it invites us to explore new possibilities and challenge the status quo of our surroundings. The impact of our living environment on our mental and emotional well-being cannot be overstated. Numerous studies have shown that our surroundings can significantly influence our mood, productivity, and overall quality of life. An uninspiring or chaotic space can lead to feelings of stress, anxiety, and even depression. Conversely, a well-designed and thoughtfully organized environment can promote relaxation, creativity, and a sense of calm. Revamping our living spaces allows us to create an atmosphere that supports our mental health and enhances our daily experiences. By prioritizing comfort, functionality, and aesthetics, we can cultivate a sanctuary that nurtures our well-being. In addition to personal well-being, the need to revamp our living spaces is often driven by the desire for improved functionality. As our routines change, so do our requirements for how we use our homes. For example, the rise of remote work has prompted many individuals to reassess their home office setups, seeking more efficient and ergonomic solutions. Similarly, the increasing importance of outdoor living spaces has led to a renewed interest in creating functional and inviting areas for relaxation and socialization. Revamping our living spaces allows us to address these evolving needs, ensuring that our homes remain practical and conducive to our lifestyles. Another factor contributing to the need for revamping is the influence of design trends and innovations. The world of interior design is continually evolving, with new styles, materials, and technologies emerging regularly. These trends often reflect broader cultural shifts and can inspire homeowners to rethink their environments. For instance, the growing emphasis on sustainability has led to increased interest in eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient designs. By revamping our living spaces to incorporate these contemporary elements, we can create homes that are not only stylish, but also aligned with our values and the changing world around us. The process of revamping our living spaces can also serve as a form of self-care and personal expression. Engaging in home improvement projects allows us to channel our creativity and invest time in ourselves. Whether through painting, redecorating, or undertaking more significant renovations, these activities can be therapeutic and rewarding. The act of transforming our surroundings can foster a sense of accomplishment and pride, reinforcing the connection between our living spaces and our identities. This personal investment in our homes can ultimately enhance our emotional connection to these spaces, making them feel more like true reflections of ourselves. Moreover, revamping our living spaces can foster a sense of community and connection with others. As we make changes to our homes, we often invite friends and family to share in the process. This collaboration can strengthen relationships and foster social bonds as we engage in discussions about design choices, share ideas, and celebrate the results together. Additionally, creating inviting and functional spaces encourages gatherings and interactions, further enhancing our sense of belonging within our homes and communities. By revamping our living spaces, we not only improve our environments, but also cultivate connections with those we care about. The need to revamp our living spaces can also be viewed through the lens of sustainability. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many individuals are seeking ways to reduce their ecological footprints. Revamping our homes can offer an opportunity to incorporate sustainable practices, such as using eco-friendly materials, optimizing energy efficiency, and reducing waste. For example, upgrading to energy-efficient appliances or incorporating sustainable building materials can significantly lower our environmental impact while enhancing the overall quality of our living spaces. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the planet, but also aligns with the values of many modern homeowners, creating a sense of purpose and responsibility in the process. In addition to sustainability, the idea of flexibility and adaptability plays a crucial role in the need to revamp our living spaces. The world is changing rapidly, and our homes must be able to adapt to these shifts. As technology advances and lifestyles evolve, the ability to create multifunctional and adaptable spaces becomes increasingly important. Revamping our living environments allows us to incorporate flexible designs that can accommodate various needs and preferences, ensuring that our homes remain relevant and functional in the face of change. This adaptability can lead to enhanced satisfaction and enjoyment as we create spaces that truly serve us over time. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked random wood furniture and wood decor ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.